The Assistant Commissioner of Police in charge of Area M, ACP Gbenga Adeoye, has visited the Dimo Divisional Police Station following the mandate and vision of the Lagos Commissioner of Police, Oluomo One-year, to drastically reduce the crime rate within Lagos metropolis by creating an enabling environment for businesses to thrive. CSP Fanny Gladys applauded the visitation of ACP Gbenga Adeoye to the division as a welcome development aimed at strengthening the cordial relationship between the community and the police.
Since the assumption of your office, you have only not been our boss, you have also given us an open door to come to talking to you concerning any issue that bothers about anything. I remember you mentioning to us that we should always call you, no matter the time. And you have not disappointed, you have not failed. At every point in time, we put call across to you, you answer us. And this is your men, the part of the people you are going to police in Area M. They are eager to meet with you, sir. And we want to hear from you. Once again, we say welcome. We are welcome to Dimo, and we are ready to work with you.
While addressing the officers and men of the Nigeria Police Force serving at Idimo Divisional Police Station, ACP Gbenga Adeoye emphasized and reiterated the principles safeguarding police officers in the line of duty.
We should move away from that, not them, and we are. No, we should work in synergy together to achieve our duties and responsibility of policing the community. Our actions and omission will determine whether they will move closer to us and assist us in policing them. Our respect to them, of course, respect is always reciprocal. In treating them according to the laws of the land, in respecting their rights, while ours is also respected, will determine how close they will be to us to assisting the community.
Similarly, Gbenga Adeoye also implored police officers to shun electronic corruption, Nigeria police social media policy, and improper dressing, while advising the personnel to always redeem the image of the Nigeria police force through unbiased investigation, punctuality, and commitment through applying diplomacy and professionalism while on duty.
It would be bad if after you've been hearing all this lecture, almost even begging you to do what is right, you still fall victim of that. You only have yourself to blame. Can't imagine the trauma the family of those that are watching their breadwinner, so to say, being disgraced because of criminal action. Is anybody telling you that policing work is not a paying job? Lose that job and see that things are not okay for many people in the society.
Above all, the area commander frowned on assaulting any police officer under his watch as Area M commander, with a strong message to residents under his jurisdiction.
The police does not want the organization to be brought to disrepute because of arbitrary use of firearms by some of our men. And we need to let them know, lecture them, remind them of the principle guiding that firearm. It's a deadly weapon, and it's supposed to be the last to attend to any issue. And we have a first order that covers when, how we can deploy our firearms. It is called First Order 237. But I felt, and of course the police authority felt, and world over too, that those principles were somehow voluminous for most of our men to grasp. And that was why it was compressed into those four acronyms of PLAN, plan. That is the proportionality, the legality, the accountability, and necessity for the use of firearms.
That if caught doing such acts, they will be duly apprehended and prosecuted by the rule of law. In Lagos, Jennifer Mosu, reporting for Newsbuster TV.